If your PC doesn't boot or your laptop doesn't boot and you want to clone your drive to get all your data off so you don't lose it, I'm going to show you how to do that by using a program called WinPE or BartPE. Now you can use other tools to do the same job called XXClone or Drive Image XML or CloneZilla or Paragon's Drive Backup Express, something of that nature, and there's loads of other different types of way of cloning drives. Now we want to make sure that we boot to our CD, so you're going to need to make sure you get whatever tool that you wanted to use to actually clone the drive. Okay, so I'm going to reboot the system. This is a Windows operating system, Windows 7 operating system. I'm going to be rebooting the system and cloning the drive from a CD, a pre-installed environment. So let's reboot. Okay, so this is my CD. I've now booted it up and I've got a slightly different selection of choice here compared to what you may have, so don't worry about that. You've got probably a different disk to me, or you may have the same one, whatever. It doesn't really matter. So I'm going to be using the BartPE WinPE build. I'm going to go to that. Okay, now you just boot to whatever you need to boot, as long as you have got the actual same program I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using Semantic Ghost to actually clone the drive from a pre-installed environment. Okay, now you can do this using Drive Image XML as well. There's a little plugin that you can use in Ultimate Boot CD for Win and stuff like that. But CloneZilla is its own tool, its own bootable CD. It's Linux based. You can use that as well. Okay, so let's load this in. Now you will see a Windows logo screen here. Don't worry about that. Just that's not the actual Windows booting up, that's the actual CD loading in. Okay, so don't think this is your Windows suddenly booting up. It's just a CD. So just let this load. Okay, so this is the CD pretty much loaded in now, and as you can see we've got a little network support. Do you want to allow that? Now that's if you want to allow network support, so you can go on the internet and stuff like that. I don't need to do that for this video, so I'm going to click no. Now I need to go to Go Programs. Now yours might be slightly different, but if you've got the same CD, then you can obviously use the Semantic Ghost that you've got on your build. So I'm going to actually go to Semantic Ghost and then go to Ghost 32. Let that load in, and then click OK, and then go local, then disk, and then to image. Now this means we want to create an image of our drive and send it to another location, as in an external hard drive. Okay, because the PC is not now booting, you can't put it on that drive because it's no point, because you ain't going to be able to get to it. So we're going to go like this. Now you may have a load more selections here depending on how many drives partitions you got. I'm going to be cloning one, which is my C drive. Click OK, and this will be slightly different on yours as well. You're going to have USB drives and everything here. Now just for this video, this is a virtual box, so it hasn't got a USB external drive or nothing like that, so I'm just actually showing you. So yours would be a USB external drive here or something of that nature. You'd click on that drive to send it to that location. Okay, it will be actually sending the image, copying the C drive and sending it to there. It's pretty much that simple really. All we need to do now is put our name in here, what we want to call it, and I'm going to call mine Backup, and I always like to put the date in there just so I know when I last made this image. Okay, so there's the date, 25/03/10, and I need to also put a little description down here. Now you can actually say my cloned, if you wanted to, C drive, and you can put the date in there if you wanted to. And then basically all you need to do here is click save. Now what this is going to do is it's saying proceed with the image file creation. It's going to try and create the image of the C drive and send it to your external hard drive or the location that you've specified. As in this case here, you can see source, it's got the actual drive 1, which will be C drive, and the destination file location, which will be sent to backup on the R drive there, which will be an external drive. Okay, so click yes, and basically that's it. You're pretty much good to go. This is now going to clone the whole drive and send that image over there. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed these videos. My name is Brian from Britec.co.uk. Please hit that subscribe button guys, and also rate for all my videos. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.